Beetroot, carrot, apple and lemon juice is a real vitamin bomb. It will improve your blood count and restore your energy. It is considered one of the healthiest juices in the world. This healthy juice is prepared without cooking and it's the best for immunity and anemia. Advantages of this juice: strengthens immunity. It cleans the blood and the body as whole. It supplies the body with vitamins and minerals. It slows down the aging process, preserves vision and strengthens eye muscles, improves brain activity and memory. It helps fight disease. It improves the work of internal organs, reduces inflammation. It helps with weight loss. It rejuvenates the skin. Beetroot is rich in vitamins A, C and B, as well as iron, copper, magnesium and potassium. It is known for its beneficial effects on the heart, blood vessels, liver and the entire digestive system, and as a natural agent that protects against cancer. Carrots are known for vitamins A, B, C, E and K. They contain the minerals calcium, magnesium, potassium and selenium. It is a natural agent that preserves eyesight, reduces the risk of stroke and has a strong anti-cancer effect. The apple contains vitamins A, B groups, C, E and K, as well as the minerals zinc, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, sodium and iron. Thanks to the high proportion of carbohydrates, especially fructose and glucose, the apple supplies the body with energy and prevents fatigue. The high content of vitamin C and antioxidants in apples has a strong immunostimulating effect. It is effective in the fight against viruses, bacteria and free radicals, promotes weight loss and stimulates digestion. Lemon is synonymous for food rich in vitamin C, but it also contains bioflavonoids, pectin, folic acid, vitamin A, B1, B6 and minerals. Recipe for beetroot juice. Juice syrup. Components: half kilogram of beets, half kilogram of carrots, half kilogram of apples, 0.3 kilogram of lemon, half kilogram of sugar of honey, we recommend honey, 1.5 liter of water, 1.5 bags of citric acid. Preparation: wash and peel the beets, carrots, apples and the lemon well, then grate them. You can also cut them into pieces and grind them in a juicer or blender, and pour them into a large container. Pour water over them, add citric acid and let it stand for 24 hours. Then strain it. Add sugar or honey, mix and leave overnight. Stir occasionally so that the sugar melts more easily. Pour into sterilized bottles and close. When using, dilute the syrup with water to taste. We recommend that you drink the juice within 7 days, as it should not be stored for long due to spoilage. You don't have to sweeten the syrup with anything. It's even the best option, if you don't mind that it won't taste sweet enough for general standards. This drink should be drunk every day. preferably a glass every morning. Already after the first tour, you will feel much better, healthier, full of energy and will. We wish you good luck and good health.